To the one with the longest hair.
Me? We talking about real hair. We talking about real hair. We talking about real hair.
Yeah, real hair.
We talking about lace front. We talking about lace front. Hey fam. Hey. I'm Debo, and you're watching. You know it. Say it. Debo with Javlogs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. And click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post. What is up, YouTube? Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving Day. We're about to eat. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And let me just show you what we got so far. We're going to start with the eggs on one side, you guys. Before I show you what I got, let me know what you got in the comment section. Let me know what you got in the comment section. Hey, who made the deviled eggs? Oh, Miss Bria. We got, we got rolls over here. Trey Boy made homemade rolls, you guys. We got candy yams made by me. We had corn. Yeah, we cooking the rolls at 300. And we got gravy over here. Brown gravy. I thought we were doing turkey gravy. Macaroni and cheese. We have, what is this?
My love name is Green Casserole.
Green Casserole. I ain't never had it, so we're gonna see how they go today.
You should have had
Dressing. The turkey John Collins up doing this year. We'll see how it goes. I was hoping we was gonna fry the turkey this year. We haven't fried turkeys in Illinois, but yeah. Let me show you the dessert table. The dessert table. We can't forget our dessert table. We cannot and will not forget our dessert table. Okay, we got pound cake over here. We got this. That ain't even part of the dish. We got a caramel apple cake, you guys. Caramel apple cake. We got pecan pie.
Later.
We're back. We're fixing our plates. Well, we fixed our plates. And we're at the table. We're sitting here to eating. So let me show you what's on my plate. Get your plate ready. Come on, grab a plate. Grab a spoon and fork. Get you a drink and everything. Let me just show you. Yeah, candy yams. The best way to eat them. We have dressing right here. Cream corn. Homemade rolls. Turkey with gravy. Brown gravy. Deviled eggs. Macaroni and cheese. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and collard greens. You can't see them. It's on my corn, but yeah, it is what it is. And what I'm drinking today is, it's only fitting. It's only fitting. Holiday creamy vanilla Coke. Those on the other hand, they got, what is it? Spiked cranberry. Yep.
Winter spice cranberry.
It went to spice cranberry. You guys, Amal has come up with a plethora of games about to play. We already played the first one. It's called Thanksgiving. Think fast game. You write down 3 words for each statement. Whoever finishes first wins. We're not going to debate who won that one because we got some cheaters. But let's go to the next game.
Eventually.
Thanksgiving fun. Pass the present to the youngest one.
Oh, you passing me?
Thank you.
Trevor, the youngest one. What's inside the big Thanksgiving surprise? Pass it now to the one with the brownest eyes.
Me.
Thanksgiving is for turkey and lots of green beans. Give the present to someone wearing red, orange, or green.
Oh, I got red my bracelet.
I got red too.
Everybody got on red, orange, green Thanksgiving colors.
I got brown.
Okay. Next, tell everyone what you're thankful for and pass the present to the person closest to the door.
Me?
No.
It's
The
mama.
door right there.
The door right there is closer.
Where's the Amy?
I'm thankful for food.
Yeah, we know.
I'm thankful for my family.
Thank you for a living.
Okay, 5. Sorry you can't keep the present. You need to share. Pass the gift to the one with the longest hair.
Me? We talking about real hair. We talking about real hair. We talking about real hair.
Yeah, real
We talking about lace front. We talking about lace front.
Wow, mama has another hair.
Oh, mama, pass it to mama then.
No, I'm not playing. I'm the host.
It's me.
Pass it to the longest hair.
We talking about real.
Okay. No, y'all too.
I didn't ever have one of these.
Okay. Pumpkin pie is a favorite Thanksgiving sweet. The present now goes to the one who is a good athlete.
I'm the only person that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Football, know that.
Okay, I play basketball.
Will you watch football or play the game? Pass the present to the person with the longest name.
Me.
No, D-E-A-B-E.
D-A-B, the syllables.
D-R-I-A-N-N-A. Man, it's a tie.
The syllable. We're talking about Elijah.
The longest name.
Let's go ahead and
How do you
see
spell Elijah? E-L-I-J-A-H-T-R-A-C-I-A. It's the same about 11. It's the same about 11.
Just keep that.
H-A-N-K-L-I-N. Me.
No. Wait, no. Hold on, wait. J-A-Q-U-E-Z. No. It's the...
Come on.
Okay. Thanksgiving is full of family, friends, food, and more. Give the gift to someone you are grateful for.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Mama, he's hungry.
Oh, I'm getting to mama.
I mean the game.
Oh.
Get one of them.
Whoever grabbed first.
Ah, that's fake.
Okay, now. Turkey and pumpkin pie would be delicious to eat. Pass the gift to the one with the smallest feet.
Me.
Not that small.
Next, your feet may be the smallest, but pass the gift to the one who is the tallest.
Oh, go ahead and pass
I'm
it.
taller than this. I'm taller than this.
Tap is green.
I'm taller than this.
Go ahead.
Right now.
You can't keep this gift, but please no tears. Give it to the one you have known the longest years.
Me.
Because Brianna's older.
Brianna, 'cause she's older.
Me.
Wow, that was in the game?
I'm sure by now you could have guessed. Pass the gift to the person to your left.
Who's really deep?
Are you sure?
Your left. The end of the game is getting close.
Oh.
Pass it to the one who helped out on Thanksgiving the most.
Yeah.
I was working 9 to 5.
I done did the dressing. I done did the rolls. I done did the corn. I done did the cake.
Okay,
I did everything.
I done did.
Pass 6 times to the left and 2 times to the right.
That's your left or your right?
1, 2,
You go back.
A 3,
3,
a 4,
4,
a 5.
6.
Now 2 times to the right.
It better go back to Trey. It better not go back to Trey. It better not go back to Trey.
Fair.
If the gift lands on you, then hold on tight. I wonder what the gift could be. Congrats, the gift is yours.
No, it's not.
That's not freaking right. That's not freaking right.
It should have been 4 people.
Should have had a whole table full. We had a
Ha, ha.
whole table full.
That's all you need.
Come on, Trap Green,
It's
let's
season
go.
right now.
Shut up, check my all the gift bag I had that was up there. I could find.
It's
real
intentional.
Rock. Mama, you put all this tape.
quick. I don't tape I could find with that paper tape.
He done ripped it up.
Oh,
He done tore it back up. Oh, he definitely needed that. He definitely needed that.
Gee, don't say I stink. That's not
Candy,
nice.
soda, hand sanitizer, and candy. You gonna tore that bag up.
Ow.
Ah.
Thank you.
It's just something fun we could have did. We need a little happy cheer.
One eternity later.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with a little short Dollar Tree haul. So let's just get into it. It's what's new, what's been in here, but what I haven't found in a minute. We're gonna show you. They got this smoked Gouda macaroni and cheese. It's premium elbows and cheese burger. $125, not $150, but $125. Dollar Tree smoked Gouda. I got a couple boxes of those because you know the name brand be like what, $3-4? What's that? They have the new car freshener. This one is Scratch or Sniff. It's new car scent. I didn't sniff. I just grabbed them because they had them in the left. But that smells pretty decent. I see Stop and Stuff versus Do You. They had new car one. They had the cherry scent one. I'm guessing you hang these over your rearview mirror. Yeah, your rearview mirror. Next one they have is. Ooh, boy, I'm about to drop it. Midnight Cool. Midnight Cool. Have y'all seen this? Let me know. Next thing we have is this cup. It's very holographic. What's the word holographic? I don't know if the camera picking it up or not. Let me just do like this so you can see if it's holographic or not. And this was $150. All them cups was $150. Not $125, not $1, but what? $150. And go with a little blue and white straw, silver cap. They have many of these left. There's only a few. And then got another one. Like a rabbit stuff. Like a rabbit. This one glows in the dark. It's basically a light. Let me see. You put the Ringo at the top. It's one of those systems like, oh, okay. See, look. This is 150 as well. Like I said, none of them cost 125. Don't go in there thinking I'm gonna get a couple of them for 125. No sir, it's gonna be 150. What we got? This one right here. This is one that says chilling with my snowmies. Not snowman, snowmies. And they got like snow at the top, you can see. All the Dollar Tree. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. Comment what was your favorite find this for. What was your favorite Dollar Tree find that I'm showing you in the comment section? So like this video and share it. I'm still showing some more. Don't go away. Funny story about these guys. I got these last year. They were like 25 cents after Christmas. Tied them up in the bag, threw it in the cabinet. Somehow they gone. Just like my circle cup is gone. Like everything I have be just disappearing out of nowhere. Maybe be some other stuff. Oh, we found it. We found it. Look. This is the rectangle cookie box. You get 2 in a pack. I thought these were 125. Nope, 150. This is what this one looks like. And it says Merry and Bright. Just put the cookies in here and make it look like they store bought, but really you made them at home. This is the square cookie box. You get 2 in a pack. This one says Joy. There's another one, but I think these were the best designs. Which one do you think is better? The Merry and Bright one or the one that has Joy in the middle? Let me know in the comment section, the Merry and Bright or the Joy one. I think the Joy one does, because it just says simplicity is better. This is like, it's doing too much on the side, got pads all over the sides, but at least it says Merry and Bright. So yeah, yes I got, oh yeah, sweet chili sauce. I know it's probably not new. This is sriracha hot sauce, different all-purpose sauce. A great addition to any dish. 125. I wasn't with the sweet chili one, but I'm gonna get this one to try. I always get the sweet chili one. It's really good. But yeah, I'm gonna see if it's any good. There's more ounces than the other one was, I think. I'm not sure. But I'll bring you back up when something else happened in the video. I forgot to show you the stuff I got from Aldi that was on clearance. And I went there at the last minute, it's about to close. But yeah, let me show you that. I brought you back already. So like I said, I'm gonna bring you back, and I brought you back. They have Hawaiian rolls. These were $1.99 now. Usually $2 or $3. This is Hawaiian rolls, sweet rolls. Freeze them. Not freeze them right now. Go ahead and freeze them. Got a couple of those to freeze. Loaf of bread, because I don't eat bread like that, but my parents and everybody else be just tearing it up. I don't tell me but they be tearing it up. This was something I can't remember what this was, but yeah. Got some brown gravy. I don't know if they have some already or not, but you know, can't be too sure. And these was on sale. These were $3 something. They usually like $5 or $6. This is the barista at home latte and frappe mix. They have the cinnamon roll one. You get 3 in a pack. 3 16-ounce. Say grande, so they're trying to just be Starbucks, I guess. These on clearance. So if you see these, get them. It's only the cinnamon roll. I see they got a peppermint mocha one out, but that's not on clearance yet. They got a cinnamon roll one. Well, I'm gonna try that on camera for you guys. And I like this one. This probably be the best one. The caramel apple strudel. Enjoy hot or cold. Who would drink it hot? Make it make sense. Ooh, when I got some cold foam too, I throw on top and some caramel drizzle. This one look exactly how I look on the picture. This is the latte and frappe. Make sure you get 3 of these, 16 ounces, grande. These was on clearance for $3 something. They usually like $5 or $6. So if you see them, grab them. I only grab one of each. I don't know how they taste. I don't know if they're gonna be nasty or good. But yeah, but I see if they're good, I'm gonna go grab some more. Might be even cheaper then, but you know. I ever showed you the display, the fall display on our buffet server. We got all types of stuff. Give thanks thing. I got this mixer. If you've been following me for a while, you know where I got this mixer from and how much I got it for, and was it on sale or not? And it was, and it's for cheap. So cheap I got 2 of them. And but look. All fall theme, pumpkin, hello fall, thankful, grateful, blessed. Recipe to make pumpkin spice latte. Got it for Brie, but she ain't made no pumpkin spice nothing yet. But look. These doors slide and reveal more storage. And it can hold up to a whole bunch of wine glasses. I don't know if you can see them in the back, but they got other stuff on them right now. And you can hold about, I don't know, 40 coffee mugs underneath through them shelving. So yeah.
One eternity later.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm Let's go outside. We can.
Okay, y'all. My mom been saying she wanted a Christmas cup. Well, a Christmas cup to just carry around with her. Because she got every other cup but a Christmas one. When I tell you she got every other cup but a Christmas one, she got every cup but a Christmas one. So I got her this one way back when. That's the first song. If you have not watched this video or this TikTok haul or this haul on my shorts on YouTube, that's because you're not subscribed. You didn't like this video or that video. Yes, these were $10. Metal. And look what else it come with, you guys. Yeah. See this straw topper? Gingerbread straw topper. Gingerbread on both sides. And this is a metal straw with a rubber tip. A rubber green tip. For $10. $10. Can't beat that. And it's festive. Look at this. Everything is cohesive. Gingerbread top with gingerbread on the cup. Red candy cane, red on the cup, on the straw. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, guys, I'm in the bathroom and look what my sister already did. It's still Thanksgiving evening. She did this morning. She done put the Christmas shower curtain up. But when I kept telling her to put the fall shower curtain up with the pumpkins on it, never did do it. We had the spring one up here for the longest. But yeah, I was like, she done found the Christmas one, but didn't try to put the fall one up. You can tell who's ready for Christmas then. And she already got her Christmas pajamas set on, one of the ones. We like to dress up in Christmas pajamas sets, you guys. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, we like to dress up with different Christmas pajama sets. This year is a new one, a very unique pajama set. So if you want to see what pajama sets we're wearing this year for Christmas, you gotta subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified whenever and wherever I post. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna give her this cup to see what her reaction is. She's over here. The tree is up somehow already, but look, here she go right here. Here you go, Mama.
What's that?
Here you go.
There.
There you go.
Would you give me a cup?
Yeah, so you want a Christmas cup so bad?
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Metal, and no plastic. Metal straw, metal everything.
Thank you. I thought you got it for you.
You might get two stuff.
Oh, thank you. Well, I take it to work tomorrow.
I'm using my Miyoki one now for now. Did you get a Miyoki one?
No, I don't know.
You guys, it's about, what time is the train?
It's about 8-something.
7:30 or 8:30?
7:30.
7:30. Well, I burned my mouth from my mouth up trying to eat some food, super hot. But yeah, I got this, my Miyoki cup. I had this for like 3 years. I got this off Temu, not TikTok, Temu. They don't sell this one no more, but look. Got gingerbreads on it, mistletoe, snowflakes, Christmas cookies. What else? All type of stuff. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I know I ain't paid too much. And this is the best part. It's metal. And then it has the rubberized bottom underneath. It's a Miyoki, or however you want to say the word. And the straw has a rubber red tip to match. And this is metal. Metal straw is a game changer. Up your game, get a metal straw. And stop looking at those plastic straws. But yeah. So I'm gonna finish eating this food up and we're gonna go from there.